Welcome to my Siberian spring. The sounds of nature and the magic of the spring forest. It's good that there are seasons when everything in nature comes to life, new feelings come to life, the sun shines brighter, it gets warmer. I recorded a video in the forest area where we passed by and enjoyed all this beauty of nature, birdsong, where we got such pleasure, the onset of spring, birdsong in nature, which delight us, fill the air with purity and harmony, give such pleasure, spirituality, makes us happier that we are one on earth and you enjoy this peace with all this beauty of sounds, magnificent Siberian trees of pines, birches, aspens, larch. I want to